We're going up the hill in the back of the truck.
So behind.
We're on lawn chairs.
What's up, man?
Snails.
Snails.
Oh, there's birds. Yeah. There's another chair, but that one's in a scary spot. So you see, there's a door.
Oh no, we're out. No, wait, not with these.
Go faster!
It's smooth. Aw, man.
That was a bend. Oh, you could sit on these.
I'm not leaning on you. Well, you don't have to sit under these.
Sitting in one seat.
Who wants to sit there?
I'll sit there on the way down. That's the bumpy.
Put your legs over.
Yay, we're going up another hill.
And I'm so hot.
Oh well.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Ew, that one looks like it has some kind of weird head. That's just another snail sucking on another snail. Well, yeah, whatever.
There's a snail sucking on a snail. Water's bumpy. We're the snails.
Oh, is it humping that one?
Ew!
Ew, it's going up and down, I thought.
Ew, they're multiplying in your bowl, Morgan.
It's doing it with a younger one.
Nice.
Getting on another one.
Getting on it.
Probably longer than doing it.